Every single piece of fruit is scanned in milliseconds. Precision robotics handle the rest. Fresh orange juice enters the advanced filtration system. Passing through transparent pipelines on the factory floor, the flow rate remains perfectly steady. This ensures the highest quality.
Every hour, thousands of preforms are transformed. They are molded and cooled with absolute precision. High-speed conveyors transport them to the filling lines. Each unit must pass a rigorous quality check. This intelligent system scans every orange. It measures size and surface quality instantly. Defective fruit is removed with precise air blasts, ensuring only the finest produce reaches the line.
Modern bottling lines operate with absolute precision. Each bottle is sealed in a fraction of a second. Automated systems apply labels at high speeds, ensuring quality and full traceability, delivering fresh juice from factory to table.
The seal on this batch looks perfect. Let's check the pulp density on the next line.